Hello students, welcome to my online lecture session of subject DWPD. Today we will continue our unit number 1, Introduction to HTML and CSS, and today's topic is table tag and division tag of HTML. Now objective, after learning this video, students will be able to know about table tag with its various attributes. Second, division tag with its ID and class, and third is special character and its tags. Now start our session with table. First of all, working with table. HTML tables allow developer to arrange data into rows and columns. For HTML table, table tag is used. Each table row is defined with a tr tag. Each table header is defined with a th tag. Each table data or cell is defined with a td tag. By default, the text written in th elements are bold and center, and in td elements are regular and left aligned. Now here table tag is used to define table. Tr tag is used to define row within a table. Th tag is used to define table header, and td is used to define table cell. Now some attributes of table tag is, first one is bg color to specify the color of a table. Second is border to specify the border of a table. Third one is cell padding. Cell padding specify the space between the cell wall and the cell. Next is cell spacing. It specify the space between cells. Col spans specify how many column span, means to merge the column. Row span, it is used to merge the row. And align attribute specify the alignment of a table. Now, so what is cell padding and cell spacing? Here two cell is there. First one is text 1 and second text is text 2. The space between these two cell is called cell space. And the space between cell wall and the content written in cell is called cell padding. So in this diagram, this shows the cell spacing and this shows the cell padding. Now example of cell padding is, here this table show the data without cell padding. So is look like this, and if we write cell padding equal to 15, then the output of this table is look like this. Here cell padding is 15. So the distance between this cell wall and the content of the cell is 15. This is the example of cell spacing. Here the cell is name, age and branch. The cell between the space between these two cell is called cell spacing. This space is called cell spacing. Next is row span. Row span and column span. Row span is used to merge the row. Look like this. Here in this diagram, two row is merged. Here this diagram, two column is merged. Now so the practical of table tag. First of all, open in Notepad++ and also run this page with a browser. Now compare this coding with output. Here in output table.html, first row is table heading, enrollment, name and branch. So I write inside the table tag first row tr and /tr. Between this tr and /tr I write th, table heading. Here 3 table heading is there. So I write 3 times th. Then next row is for table data. So first I write tr and slash tr. Between this tr and slash tr, 3 data is there. So I write 3 times td. First td is for enrollment number 001. Second td is for name. Here name is yours. And third is branch, means computer engineering. Then third row is 2. Name is Amar and branch is electrical engineering. So in coding again I write third row tr and slash tr. Between this tr and slash tr I write 3 times td. And in this table the border of the table is given with value 1. Now next tag is division tag. Division tag defines a division or a section in an HTML document, and it is used as a one type of container for HTML elements, which is then styled with CSS. Division tag is styled by using the class or ID attribute. Now example of division tag. Here 2 tag h3 and p is written between div and slash div because I want same color blue in both tag. So there is no need to write same coding for both tag h3 and p. Here division id equal to my div. Id attribute is used to uniquely identify the division or section on a web page. And style attribute is used to specify formatting style for the contents of div tag. Now practical of division tag. Here in a division tag I use two division tag. First one is for VPMP Polytechnic, which is written in center tag with color blue and font size 30. And second division tag is used for name of branches. It is written in green color with font size 16. So for repetition of code, I use division tag. Here in coding, I write VPMP Polytechnic in center tag like this, and I put this statement in division tag and give the ID equal to header. Now this ID header is declared in style tag. Style is used in head part, head tag between head and slash head. Between style and slash style, I write ID header with a hash sign. Header contains two properties. First one is font size and color. So here the color of VPMP Polytechnic is blue, so I write color :blue. I write a style set of header. Then font size equal to 30 pixel. Next, second I create division tag for name of branch. So I write this 3 statement in division tag and its ID is center. ID equal to center. I declare this ID in style tag with hash sign center and use property of this center tag font size equal to 16 pixel and color equal to green. Next, special character and tags. In HTML, some character cannot be directly typed or displayed using keyboard. This character is known as a special character. and this character is written in HTML code with ampersand symbol and ends with semicolon. We can directly place HTML entity in source code where we want to display special character. For example, if I want to display the symbol of copyright reserve, then I have to use ampersand sign, then copy, then semicolon. So the symbol of ampersand is display. Now, some special characters are like this. First one is copyright sign. To display this type of symbol, I have to write ampersand copy semicolon. For register sign, to display this type of symbol, I have to write ampersand reg semicolon. For a less than or greater than symbol, I have to write ampersand lt semicolon or ampersand gt semicolon. To display ampersand sign on web page, I have to write ampersand amp semicolon. To give a space between some text, I have to use ampersand nb sp then semicolon. And to display left arrow, I have to use ampersand la double r semicolon. Thank you.